Howdy everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at the Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. This is a Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. I'm gonna do a really quick walkthrough of this beautiful one bedroom. This is a gorgeous one bedroom. I love the feel of this. This is frankly just very adorable. I love the backsplash that's here, this quartz look. I love all the gas appliances, the really pretty appliances, and just the beautiful cabinets are here. I love the island. The island's super cool too. This is a gorgeous island. It's perfect space, and then I just love this open space here too. This is so fun. This is a perfect place to be in Plano, Frisco, or North Dallas because it gives you a high rise. It's really uncommon to have a high rise that looks this good, and there aren't very many high rises period in the whole area. So to have something that's this nice is perfect. Hey, you've got this. You do have that balcony. We are going to step out on there on the next video. But I do want to show off the bedroom. The bedroom's here. It's really cute. It's big, so you can fit that king bed in here anytime. You've got a really big window in here too, so more of the great views along the tollway are there. And then, hey, let's check into the bathroom. The bathroom's here too. Oh, wow, really looks awesome. Beautiful bathroom, actually. You've got a lot of things here. You've got a dual sink, really good lighting, mirrors that are perfect. You've got a built-in linen cabinet there, and then you got a huge shower. Look at the shower; it's just humongous. I love it that you just kind of walk in, the shower's going, and if you want to, you can add the bath. But if not, hey, you just stick the shower in there and work with the shower. It's all just one area. You do have this closet. The closet is a good size too. There's plenty of shelving. Looks great in this closet. Really attractive bathroom. Love it. And then we're back out here. So this is just a quick overview. What I would recommend is take a virtual tour. I can set that up for you right away. If you do me a favor, send me a text on my number below and just say, Grant, I'd like to be in this cool high rise in Plano, Texas. Why don't you set up a virtual tour for me? I'll take care of it at no charge. It's part of our free service to help you find your perfect apartment here in the Plano area. So send me that text. I look forward to hearing from you.